Okay, so once you log into iReady, it's going to look a little bit different than your teacher login currently does because this is the admin, but this was the only login that still worked on the demo version. So what you'll need to do is go up here to Assess and Teach, and then what I want you guys to look at is this online instruction piece. So this is what we're needing feedback on. So you can either click reading or math. You can click both if you want to look at both of them. But I'm going to go into reading and then scroll down, and these are the lessons for reading. And there's a lot of different lessons. Just look through a couple of them that you think most of your students would be on in your class. And in order for you to see or preview the lesson, you can go right here and click that lesson, and then it's going to come up and go through the lesson with you. So once again, take as much time or as little time as you want to with this, but we would like to have your feedback since the teachers, will be the ones that are utilizing this tool. We want to make sure that it's something that we do think is that you do think is beneficial, because it is expensive, and also something that you think you would use in your classroom, because if we do purchase it, it will be something that we will have to make sure is used every day or most days of the week, if not every day. Let me know if you have any questions.